Here's 50, left 6, 120. Is it diff locked? I can't see it.
Yeah, it is.
15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Left 6, 120. Then left 4 over small crest, 50. And right 4 long, tightens off camber, no cut. Right 4 long, tightens off camber, no cut. Into small crest, 150. Left 3 minus. Into right 5 minus over small jump. Into right 4 over crest long, opens, 50. So this is a right 4 over crest long, opens, 50. Then left 3 over small crest. Now left 3 over small crest, 50. Then right 3 minus off camber. Right 3 minus off camber. Then left 5 over crest. Left 5 over crest, into right 4 late over crest, off camber. Into left 4 minus. Into right 5 minus short, 50. Then left 6 over crest, 100. Right 4 short. Then care, braking small jump into turn, left 3 tightens. So right 4 short, care, braking small jump into turn, left 3 tightens, 30. Left 5 and right 5 plus, then left 4 long, opens long. Into small crest, 100.
What is it, opens long?
Yep, then small crest 100, small jump into right 650, then left 5 short, tightens 4. Left 5 short, tightens 4. Then stay right over crest, 120. Then crest 70, and stay left over crest, 200. Now stay left over crest, 200, then left 6 plus over small crest, 70, right 5 plus, 120. Now right 5 plus, 120. Then right 6 long. And stay right over small crest, 120. Then left 6 plus into right 5 minus over small crest off camber. That's a right 5 minus over small crest off camber. Opens into left 6 plus, 150. Then small crest 30 and left 5 plus long opens, braking small crest into care crest 40, right 3 plus late and long. So braking on the small crest into care crest 40, right 3 plus late and long. Then opens 30 to crest. After crest is 120. Then left 6, tightens over crest, tightens again, 5 off camber. So left 6 over crest, tightens, then tightens again, 5 off camber. Into right 6, 70. Then small crest 20, left 6 off camber, very long, 120. Then left 5. Into right 5, tightens to 4. There's your left 5. Into right 5, tightens to 4. Watch the tightens 4, into crest, into right 5 plus over crest. Then left 5 plus, and right 6 plus 50. Then left 6 very long, 50. Crest 40, and left 5, 50. So crest 40, then left 5, 50. Then long crest into left 5 plus down, 120. To care, braking before right 4 plus short turn, left 2. Braking, braking, braking.
Yep.
Into left 2 at T. Then left 6, extra long, off camber. Extra long here, then 100. And small crest 200. then right 4 very long, so here's your small crest 200, then right 4 very long, into small crest, then 150, now 150, then right 6 200, then jump 200, and crest 50, then stay right over jump 120, stay right over jump 120, then right 5, now right 5, into left 5 plus 300, now left 5 plus 300, then left 5 plus tightens, up there's a left 5 plus tightens 50, then right 6 over small crest long, over a second crest, so right 6 over small crest long, into a second crest, into left 6 400. Now left 6 400. At the end of this is a left 5, opens over small crest, 30. Then braking left 5 minus into crest, into right 3 over crest. So now is a braking left 5 minus into crest, into right 3 over crest. Now right 3 over crest. Then left 4 minus long. That's a left 4 minus long, 50. Now stay left over crest, 100. Then crest into right 4 minus long, so crest into right 4 minus long, over another crest, then opens off camber, 50. Then care braking left 5 into turn left 3 minus, 30, turn right 2 minus narrow. Now turn right 2 minus narrow. Yeah, you're left and then you're right.
Sorry.
Now turn right 2 minus narrow. Then left 5 over small crest, 50, and right 4 minus, into left 3 plus, so right 4 minus, into left 3 plus, into right 4 minus, into left 4 minus, then right 3 minus, so left 4 minus here, then right 3 minus, then left 3 plus, 70. Left 3 plus now, 70. Then turn, right 3, 30. Up there is going to be a turn, right 3, 30. And left 5 minus. Go right. Now left 5 minus. Into right 5, opens and tightens 5 plus, 70. Then left 6. And right 6 plus 50, then left 4 minus off camber. That's a left 4 minus off camber. Then right 4 minus, into left 4 plus, then stay left over small crest, 120, then right 5 minus off camber, right 5 minus off camber, left 6, 70, then care, braking no jump, 40, left 3 late, 70 now, care, braking no jump, 40 to left 3 late, 150. Here's your left 3 late, 150. You're good. Nice job, man.
Thanks, bud.